2/3 of all the money that we spend is people. And the system that we were using really quite antiquated, but it wasn't put in particularly well. There was a lot of functionality which really didn't work very well. We looked at 4 or 5 systems, I think, came down to 2. The reason Access won out in the end was responsiveness. We were quite impressed with the sort of things that Access were doing, the way that they were responding to what customers wanted, and the range of applications suited exactly what we want. And simple thing, but we liked the look and feel as well. We thought it was the sort of thing that people would be able to use and understand without huge amounts of training and effort.
I think the staff as well, I think the service we had, even initially, was really good, really helpful.
There's always not so much been a mystery around HR, but things haven't been visible to people, and now they are. If we say to somebody, this is what you're going to be paid, they can see it very easily. If there's a change coming, they can see what that's happening. Ultimately, I'm expecting it to save some money, but it will take away an awful lot of manual data stuff, an awful lot of duplication where we're putting things twice in the same system.
From an HR perspective, I think that it's going to give us time to spend on other things. I think it's much more streamlined and it's taken a lot of our admin away. From a staff perspective, it should make it a lot easier for them, I think, to see their whole employment package